Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this completely honest finding perfect changes everything. Is this their ultimate find of the year? I was a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that their build quality is premium, I was completely sold. It is an absolute lifesaver BC. It simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it works better than anything else in the market. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade before it's completely gone. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear